I hope you're having an amazing day. What is up, guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to add a credit card or debit card on your Temu payment method. Now, if you love shopping on Temu and you're sick of using, PayPal or GCash or other payment methods, and you want to actually use your credit card or your debit card, it's very easy. All you need to do is go look at your bottom screen, the main menu here. At the very middle, it says you, so that's your profile. So tap on that. And here, what you want to do is look towards your upper right corner. You're going to see a headset, which is for your support. And it's not a cogwheel setting, it's a nut, right? It's a nut icon, which is your settings. So click on that. And here you're going to be brought to this page, your settings page. And the very first option is your payment methods. So if you click on your payment methods like so, you're going to be brought to this page, which is you need to add credit card or debit card. So what you want to do is click, of course, this big, long orange add a credit or debit card option like so. And here you're going to be brought to this page. So enter your card number, your expiration date, and your CVV. Make sure to double check your credit card information. And then after that, click on add credit card and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's everybody. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.